Do you know Sokogate? This platform aims to revolutionize trade between China and the rest of the world. Imagine being able to order directly from Chinese factories, right from your phone, pay via mobile money, and have your products delivered straight to your doorstep, no middlemen involved. That's exactly what Sokogate offers, a B2B marketplace designed for retailers, small businesses, dropshippers, and even individuals. What problem does Sokogate solve? Before, if you wanted to buy products from China, you either had to deal with unreliable intermediaries or travel all the way to China, spending thousands of euros on flights, hotels, translators, and then wait weeks for delivery. Today, thanks to its mobile app, Sokogate makes everything easier. You choose your products, pay in your local currency using Orange Money, M-Pesa, Wave, Moov, or Visa card, and the team in China handles quality checks, secures your order, and ships your package by air or sea. No more stress, no more intermediaries. Everything is managed right from your phone. The platform serves all of Africa, Europe, the United States, and the UK, with one goal in mind: to provide merchants with direct and reliable access to Chinese factories. A platform built for the whole world, and especially for Africa, with local support, adapted payment methods, and guidance at every step, from order to delivery. Could this be the future of commerce? Download Sokogate on the Play Store or App Store and start ordering your products now.